Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them in your phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Google Photos and I just go on top the my username, and you will find a photo settings in your downside. Just hit the button of photo settings. There will be a backupping up your email account will be there. So here there will be a enabled option over here, as you see here, the toggle button. So backup photos and videos in your camera folder, just disable means automatically it will disable. So while you delete the Google Photos also, it will retain in your mobile also. So here there will be a beautiful updates where you can able to see that there will be a backup quality of your mobile phone. So original quality, storage saver and express will be there. You just select this one as a storage saver so that you can store your entire data with the saver, and the storage will be very less. As well as your mobile backup details, you can able to see backup all the drives will be in off button. So make sure it should be off, otherwise your photos, your screenshots, your Adobe Express scan downloads, everything will be backup to the Google Photos. You want only the Google Photo should be backup means you can enable that backup option on the top one only, so not in this one. So just make sure this one should be switched off means you can able to save more space in your Google Drive. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.